pleased to welcome you this morning.
Members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, these awards seek to recognize and promote excellent innovations in the year 2023. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The chair of Uganda Brokers Association, my colleagues, our consultant, ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed, I am pleased to welcome you this morning to the launch of 2023 Insurance Industry Innovations Award. Once again, when you know the date it will be held, we just want to make it clear, as we did before, that we hold the function in March in order to allow all the innovations within the year to be recognized. The Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda is passionate about the Innovations Awards because we want to change and we want to be the platform that supports innovations across the entire insurance industry value chain. It is therefore for this reason that we invited you, our colleagues, the media partners, so that we can announce to you the 2023 Innovations Award, which in return you will also make the public aware of. We have invited all the licensed players to participate in this year's Innovations Awards. And these include the insurers, or what we call the underwriters, and this also has the health membership organizations, or HMOs. We have the brokers, bank assurance agents, and the individual agents. And that category, we call it the intermediaries. But each one of them will be recognized separately. We have also called on the individual loss assessors, adjusters, and valuers to recognize the role of the media and insurtech in the value chain. The awards which we are announcing today, we know that we are partners, and indeed the media fraternity plays a very important percentage of what we have to do. We are mindful that technology plays a leading role. We therefore request that the media fraternity indeed shares with the public as expected, and as already alluded by Sunday, nobody wants to light his candle and keep it under the table. You can only light it and put it on the candlestick so that everybody can see the light. It means, therefore, when you light the candle, you are not only attracting attention, but you are also helping others to see in absolute terms. Our intentions, therefore, of the Innovations Awards is to ensure that as the innovators benefit, the ultimate beneficiary should be the insured. Ladies and gentlemen, these awards seek to recognize and promote excellent innovations in the year 2023, and that is seek to respond to the challenges faced by the insurance industry. As you are aware, the awards have gained traction over the last 3 years, and you may be reminded that we started in the year 2020 up to the year 2022. Those 3 awards have been improving year on year. We expect, therefore, that the same improvement is going to be recognized in this 2023 Innovations Award. And we expect to motivate the industry players to innovate solutions that help resolve the challenges affecting the insuring public. The 2023 award ceremony, therefore, will be held on 15th March 2024 under the theme InsureVet, Igniting Excellence in the Insurance Sector. And the categories for this year's awards will be 10. 1, we shall have the most innovative insurance solution for the life companies. We shall also have the most innovative insurance solution for non-life companies. Then we shall have the most innovative insurance solution for the insurance broker, and the most innovative insurance solution for bancassurance agent. And 5 shall have the most innovative insurance solution for individual agent. 6 will have the most innovative insurance solution for loss assessors. 7 will be Judges Special Award. And 8 will be the InsurTech Solution of the Year. And 9 will be the Insurance Media Personality of the Year. And 10, and last for that matter, but not the least, will be the People's Choice Award. In order to ensure maximum transparency, as usual, we have engaged a consultant, Adroit Consult International, to undertake this exercise. I call upon all categories mentioned above to submit their applications and to actively participate in this activity. As the Insurance Regulatory Authority, we continue to commit ourselves to create a conducive environment that is needed to support and facilitate innovation across the entire insurance industry. May I therefore end my remarks by quoting the words of John F. Kennedy, who needs no further introduction, but for the beginners, he was the 35th President of the United States. He once said, open of quotes, "Our problems are man-made. Therefore, they may be solved by man. And man can be as big as he wants. No problem of human destiny is beyond human beings." If all of us are to borrow those great words of John F. Kennedy, it means that when we put our minds together, we put our focus on what we want, we can at all times solve whatever challenges that may be realized. May I therefore now invite the consultant to share with us in depth the criteria that will be followed, and also to share with us the timelines for submitting applications so that we can have our expectations made more clear. I thank you for listening to me.
And the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Uganda as a whole for the contribution that you're making to driving innovations in the insurance sector of Uganda today. With honor, I would also like to thank the CEO for his speech. Secondly, I would like to recognize the presence of the different partners, the different players, the directors, and the media, and welcome you all to the press conference. My name is Deborah Amriaponi. I'm a consultant with Adroid Consult International. We are the firm that's supporting the regulator to select some of the most innovative insurance solutions in Uganda for the year 2023. We are here once again for the third time in a row to ensure this process is airtight, independent, clear, and very, very transparent. We'd like to thank all the players who have consistently continued to participate in these awards, and would like to also encourage the other players to continue to apply. The benefits of your participation to the insurance sector has already been strongly highlighted by the regulator. This year, the criteria remains similar to that of the previous awards, but would like to re-echo that in order to participate, the player must be licensed by the regulator, with the exception of the categories of the Media Personality of the Year and the InsurTech. Insurance players are also eligible to submit their innovations that have been created in the last 18 months that they believe has created a change in their companies, to the people that they serve, and to the insurance sector of Uganda as a whole. Like the previous awards, the word innovation is open and flexible to ideas, methods, and practices or technologies that are new. So just to echo on the different criteria, we'll be looking at innovations that have not won in the previous innovation awards that we held in 2020, 2021, and 2022. The different service providers must also be operational in Uganda and with a client base within the country. The awards shall be given to entities that have successfully piloted and rolled out their innovative solutions. So each award category has its eligibility criteria. So the applicants must refer to the eligibility criteria for the different categories, but I'll highlight some of them. We are looking at customer centricity, how that particular innovation appeals to the needs of the customers within the insurance space of Uganda. We are looking at originality, how unique is the idea and what brought out your innovation. Utilization of technology. We are also looking at the design and the distribution models of this particular innovation. Potential to increase scale and adaptability or replicability by other insurance players. Then lastly, we are looking at compliance to environment, social, and governance by the particular player that has developed this innovation. As already mentioned, this year we've introduced a new category for loss assessors and adjusters in order to give more opportunities to all the different insurance players out there. As of today, the awards have already been launched, and eligible insurance service providers have been called to apply. At the end of the application period, we shall score and rank the different players and invite them to have interviews with our panel of judges. It's following these interviews that the most innovative insurance players will be selected. We therefore urge all the players to consistently check their emails, including their spam and junk folders, to ensure that they received this communication and also that they make their applications in time. To support the process, ADRATE is going to organize a pre-application meeting on a date that will be communicated, and this will enable to support all the different players in their application. On behalf of IRA, we as ADRATE are available to provide any necessary clarification during this period. And the application period starts today, and it will end on January 2nd, 2024. We invite all eligible parties to submit their applications promptly, collaborating with us to contribute the advancement of the Uganda's insurance sector. Thank you very much.
Alhaji Kadunabi, CEO IRA. All protocol observed. I'll work with the hierarchy and protocol that has been shared earlier. Friends, today is a special day. But I'd like to first start by representing or sharing with you, sending the greetings that have come from the insurance brokers within the Insurance Brokers Association of Uganda, specifically under licensing or under regulation from the IRA, plays a critical role in this industry when it comes to sharing with clients and the general public how best they can access insurance. It has always been said that insurance is complicated, expensive. Many in the public don't know the products or the solutions that are out there. So we play that role in between by trying to make sure that we understand the exposure that is out there, the risks that are out there for the general public, and help them access the different products that are available at the best possible price. For this morning, I'd like to very much commend the IRA team for the role that they are playing. First of all, the supervision is quite good. If you look over the years, the way we have grown in strength and capacity has been quite commendable. And now we're also seeing innovation coming into place. Insurance has always been said to be traditional. The way we've done insurance over the years has been almost the same. But we have to all admit that the times we are in now are very interesting times. And there are times when we have to think beyond, look outside the box, and come up with ways within which we can help the general public access the insurance products that are out there. Access them so that as they concentrate on their lives, on their work, and on their day-to-day programs, they do know, God forbid, should anything wrong happen, that there are solutions out there to help them. And there we are happy to work with the IRA and all our other partners, the Uganda Insurers Association, all the other stakeholders, in getting all of us together and thinking ways within which we can come up with innovative and creative products and solutions for the benefit of the general public. We also are happy to engage and work with the media out here because you play a critical role in disseminating this information out there to the public so that the public can be able to access as many of these products and solutions as possible. On behalf of IBAO, the Insurance Brokers Association of Uganda, we do commit to walking this journey with the IRA and all our partners in ensuring that this program is successful, and at the end of the day, the general public are the biggest winners. With that, we thank you.
Alhaji, CEO IRA, our partners from the different industry bodies, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Yeah, it gives me great pleasure to just be here this morning to witness yet again another edition of the Innovative Awards. And Alhaji, as I was coming in, I think the MC mentioned that the roads are closed, and I wanted to confirm that yet indeed it was a struggle for me to get here. When I checked on my watch, I had done about 2,000 steps to get here because I had to abandon my car a bit of a distance from this place. Innovation is an extremely important thing for the insurance industry. And I must congratulate the IRA for always taking the lead. I know just recently we were witnessing a graduation through the projects that have gone through the sandbox, the insurance projects that are going through the sandbox. There was a graduation, could have been maybe under 2 weeks. And again, we are here this morning to launch the Innovative Awards or Innovation Awards. I think for me, the insurance industry is such a critical component of the economy. In fact, I keep saying that there is no single sector that can survive without insurance. Be it the banking sector, be it the manufacturing sector, be it the agriculture sector, be it recently, we've seen now a lot of interest around oil and gas. There cannot be a single sector that can survive or stand on its own without insurance. But again, that throws a very big challenge to us as players within this space to innovate and continuously reflect relevance. And I think the IRA, like I mentioned again, has taken the lead in this. We as the Uganda Insurers Association were given the mandate to manage and run the motor third-party platform. That motor third-party platform that you can be able to access insurance through the USSD code and through your mobile operator and other options is now eventually going to lead into the digitization of that stick. And again, IRA is at the forefront of this innovation. And I think these are important changes that continuously show that we are relevant as a sector. Now, speaking about innovation, we have also recently embarked on innovation around marine insurance, again in liaison with the IRA, to try and simplify uptake and also support the drive of government to localize the uptake of marine insurance. Besides those two innovations, I also wanted to project the relevance of the sector. I was looking at figures, Alhaji, and the sector that you oversee pays over 500 billion in taxes. Now, if we can, and we are only reaching 0.885% in terms of our penetration. Our population currently is about 45 million people. What would it take for us to extend and reach the majority of the population? I think innovation is a key driver. I want to call upon government to support the IRA, to support the insurance players in our drive for innovation. Because if at 0.885%, we are contributing over 500 billion shillings in taxes, what would happen if we are contributing 2%, Alhaj? I think for me, that is where innovation comes in. So I want to thank the regulator. I want to thank the rest of the participants and the rest of the partners in taking on this initiative, and specifically IRA, because these innovation awards help us avoid duplication. We are a single industry. There is no need for the UIA to have separate innovation awards. There is no need for IRA to have its own awards. And that is why we have come together under the ambit of the regulator to fully support the innovation awards. As the UIA, that is the Uganda Insurers Association, the body that brings together all licensed insurance players, we are more than happy to be part of this initiative. We have been critical in the past through the various sponsorships that we've given to IRA, and I want to commit that we will continue not only this year or next year, but for us as the association, part of the activities that we do, and that is even aligned to our new strategic plan, is to ensure that we support the regulator in any initiative that takes the industry forward. So I am here to commit on behalf of the association that we will continue to rally our members. In fact, we've already been engaging our members in terms of how they can be able to participate in this round of the Innovation Awards. And as I close, I would want to thank the members of the press in a special way, because the press, again, are the ambassadors that take the message out there. But I also think that, again, it's a challenge for us as an industry, and as the UIA, we are thinking critically in terms of how we can be able to use the press to take the message forward. Alhaj, as you may be aware, we pay claims. Every single day we pay claims. Unfortunately, the few claims that are not paid or are not payable make the most noise. So how do we change the narrative using the press? So I would want to challenge the press and also say, please, as you report, again, try as much as possible to verify the information that you're sharing. There is a lot of hearsay and a lot of word of mouth going around, but when you investigate, you realize that actually these are not clients of insurance, because the satisfied clients of insurance indeed have been compensated, they have been paid, and they are happy clients. So I want to thank you, and I would want to say again, as the association, we commit that we will participate, we will rally our members, and we will be part of all those initiatives spearheaded by the regulator that intend to develop and grow this industry. So I thank you.
Uganda, Abanabikago from Uganda Insurance Association, Insurance Brokers Association, Uganda, Loss Assessors, Agents. Namwe bannamawulire mwenna tulina essanyu lya nsusso okuba nti tulina mmwe wano okubanga twogerako gye muli olw'omukolo guno oguteekeddwa bakama baffe aba Insurance Regulatory Authority nga naffe tujjanga bannamikago. Ekyamazima emu ku nsonga ndowooza gye tubadde tulwanagana nayo nga bannayinsuwa kwe kulaba ng'eki gye tuyinza okuleeta ebintu ebyenjawulo okukwatagana ne bannaffe be tutunza yinsuwa. Era Insurance Regulatory Authority badde nsaale mu mulamwa guno okulaba nti bannayinsuwa ab'enjawulo baleeta ebintu ebipya, tuleme kubanga tutunuulira ebintu ebikadde oba engeri gye tubadde tukola bizinesi bulijjo. Kino nno kituwadde omukisa okuba nti tusobodde okutumbula obuyiiya mu kitundu kino ekyaffe ekya yinsuwa. Era bw'otunuulira obuyiiya obugenze bubaawo, weeks 2 emabega twali tutunuulira ebiyiiya ebyenjawulo bannaffe okuva mu ensuwa ez'enjawulo bye bagenze bakola okulaba nti bitussa ku mutindo. Tulowooza nti emikolo nga gino egigenda mu maaso gye gigenze nga gitumbula okulaba nti gyongera kye twaliyise okubaganya ebirowoozo, naye ate ne competition okulaba nti bannayinsuwa ab'enjawulo baleeta ebintu ebipya, era okuva awards zino oba competition eno lwe yatandika tulabye nga obuyiiya bweyongedde. Tulowooza nti awards zino bwe zinaagenda nga zigenda mu maaso kigenda kutwongera amaanyi mu mpeereza yaffe, ate twongere okwanaganya emirimu gyaffe ne public tusobole okubeera nga tutambulira wamu. Twagala okwebaza ennyo Insurance Regulatory Authority olw'okutukulembera, era ffe nga Insurance Training College naffe twagala okwongerezaako ettaffaali okulaba nti obuyiiya buno tubwongera okugenda mu maaso. Omulimu ogwaffe gwa kuyigiriza, naye ate mu kuyigiriza twagala tulabe nti bye tuyigiriza abayizi baffe oba ne bannayinsuwa ab'enjawulo ate byongera okuyitimula obuyiiya, tulabe nti tukwata ensonga y'obuyiiya okuva ku njuyi zonna. N'olw'ensonga eyo twagala okukubiriza amakampuni ag'enjawulo agali mu nsonga za yinsuwa okuviira ddala muba brokers okuviira ddala mu bannaffe bannayinsuwa okuva mu batunda insuwa ez'obujjanjabi beagents okulaba nti baleeta ebintu ebyenjawulo. Ekyo kyokka kye kiyinza okututwala mu maaso okuva ku level gye tuliko okudda ku level endala. Ate ekyo kyokka kye kigenda okutuganjisa eri abantu ab'enjawulo okulaba nti bettanira insurance mu ngeri ey'enjawulo. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala.